In this video, we will learn how to add a credit note to a customer's profile in just a few simple steps. There are two primary methods: adding directly from the customer profile or creating a credit note and then assigning it to a customer. However, in this video, we will focus on adding a credit note directly to customer profiles. Let's get started. To begin, we will select any customer and then click the Add button. Next, select New Credit Note to navigate to the Add Credit Note page. This page contains numerous fields for entering information tailored to your needs. However, for illustration purposes, I will only add items to the credit note in this video. The final step is to click the Save and Issue button to finalize the quote creation. Voila! We have successfully added a credit note directly to the customer. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.